Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're being kicked out by the client in Roblox. So what you need to do is basically all you need to do is simply follow these steps and get into your internet browser. Once you do so, all you need to do is simply get into roblox.com and you open it up. Once you do so, this is the kind of a page or a similar page would appear up, and select any of the story or game that you need to. Once you open up this game, that would appear this like this, and it would have this green icon, and once tap on it, so you would be kicked out by the client and they would no longer require you to open and things like that. So what you need to do is simply minimize or cancel it, get into your control panel, and once you get to your control panel, all you need to do is go into uninstall or change a program and simply uninstall the Roblox application. So once you do so, then get into your command prompt, and in the command prompt all you need to do is write down this command. And once you do so, what you need to do is simply the system has been reset. Now get into your internet browser once again, get into this Roblox as before, open up any of the game that you need to. Once you will open up the game, you will again have this, and once you open that, it would give you sign as for open Roblox. Once you do so, the game would start. And if you guys still have any questions regarding this or how to fix if kicked out by the client, then you can simply comment down below and I would love to answer that. And if not, just don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.